If you search your business on Google right now, are you set up as the right type? Because many local service business are using the wrong Google listing setup and it's quietly costing them customer every single week. I'm Redwan Kausar from mentorboss.com. I help local service business rank on Google and get more client. If you are new here, welcome. I share practical local SEO and Google business profile tips to help local service business get more customer from Google. Make sure you follow so you never miss a new tutorial. So let's talk about the three types of local business and which one you actually are. Why this matters. When you set up your Google business profile, also called GBP, Google asks you to classify your business in very specific way, and the type you choose affects how your listing appears, where it ranks, and whether customer can even find you. Most business owners skip this step or guesses. That's the problem. There are three types. Each one is different. Each one has different rule. Let's break down simply. So the first one is storefront business. The storefront brick and mortar. A brick and mortar business is a business where customer come to you. Think of a dental office, a law firm, a barber shop, or a restaurant. Your GBP show your full address. Customer drives to you. Google know exactly where you are, and because of that, proximity becomes a strong ranking factor. When someone searches nearby, your address helps Google connect the dots. For example, imagine a dentist in Chicago. A patient searches dentist near me. Google see the dentist address, confirm it's close to the searcher, and proximity boosts the listing in local result. So action you can take this week. Make sure your address is listed correctly on your GBP. It should match exactly what's on your website, your Yelp page, or every other directory. Even a small difference can confuse Google. A quick note for all, if this is already helpful, go ahead and subscribe right now. I post local SEO and Google business profile tutorial regularly, and you don't want to miss the next one. The service area business, SAB. And SAB, service area business, is a opposite. You go to the customer, they don't come to you. Think of a plumber, a roofer, a landscaper, a house cleaner, or a mobile locksmith. For an SAB, Google lets you hide your home or office address and instead list the area you serve. You might list a specific city, towns, or zip codes. According to the Google's own guideline, your service area should stay with roughly a 2-hour drive from your base location. The challenges for SABs is that without a visible address, proximity works differently. You rely more on other trust signals, things like reviews, your website content, and local citations. According to the Bright Local, review signal is the most important local ranking factors for service area businesses. For example, imagine a roofer in Houston. He works out of his home, no storefront. He should hide his address and list the neighborhoods and cities he actually serves. If he listed the whole state of Texas, Google will largely ignore it. Be specific and realistic. Action you can take this week. If you are a SABs and you are currently showing a home address you don't want public, go into your GBP settings and hide it. Then list your actual service area by city or zip code. The hybrid business. A hybrid business does both. Customer can come to your location and you go out to the service customers too. A good example is an auto repair shop that also offer roadside assistance, or a florist that has a walk-in shop but also deliver. Hybrid business can show their full address and also add service areas. You get the proximity benefit and a physical address plus the reach of service area targeting. According to the Google's official guideline, if you are staffed and customer can genuinely walk in, you can show your address. The most important thing here, be honest about which type you are. Don't list a fake office just to get address benefit. Google actively monitor this, and fake or unmanned address listings can get your profile suspended. Action you can take this week. Ask yourself, do real customer walk through your door? If yes, you are at least partially a storefront. If you are also go to the customer, you are hybrid. Go into your GBP and set it up accordingly. Common mistakes. Let's cover 2 common mistakes I see all the time. Mistake 1, using a virtual office office or mailbox as your business address. Some business owner rent a cheap mailbox at a UPS stores or use a virtual office to get an address. Google can detect this and it violates their guidelines and can lead to suspension. Don't do it. Mistakes 2. SABs showing their address when they shouldn't. If you are a plumber who works from home and doesn't want walking, show nothing. Hiding your address and listing service area is the right move. Many business owners leave a home address visible by accident. Check your profile now. Action step for this week. Log into your Google business profile and identify which type of you are, storefront, SAB or hybrid. If you are an SAB, hide your address and add specific service cities or zip code. If you are a storefront or hybrid, confirm your address is correct and match your website exactly. Make sure your primary business category accurately reflect what you do. This is one of the strongest GBP ranking signal according to the local SEO research. There are 3 types of local business on Google. Storefront shows an address, customer come to them. SABs hide their address and list where they serve. They go to the customer. Hybrid business do both. Choosing the right type and setting up your GBP correctly is the foundation of local search visibility. Get this wrong and everything else you do is working against. If you'd like expert help with your local SEO and Google business profile, reach out through the link in the descriptions. And while you are there, grab my free PDF guide on fixing common Google business profile and local SEO error. That link in the description too. If this video give you something useful, make sure you follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next local SEO and Google business profile tutorial. I regularly share strategies, GBP tips and lead generation technique that actually work right now. If you want to go deeper and ask question, you are welcome to join my free local SEO Facebook group. The link in the description. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video.